Welcome, everyone is the OPPO A72, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contact app. From here, tap on the three bars, go to settings and scroll down to import. And from here, select SIM card, that's where you want to import it from. Once you tap on it, it will give you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. And by default, it looks like they're all selected, so you will have to deselect the ones that you, for instance, don't want. And once you have everything selected that you do want, click on the check mark, and as you can see, 2 SIM contacts imported, and boom, there they are. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.